Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's story is Why the Sea is Salty. Let's start and find out. Long, long ago, the world was very different. Even the sea wasn't salty, but sweet and good to drink. So, why, you might wonder, is the sea not sweet today? Well, it all began with the magic millstone. The millstone belonged to a mighty king. Most millstones are used to make flour, but this millstone made piles of gold and sparkling jewels. It made tempting treats and special spices or whatever the king asked for. One day, a thief met a friend who told him all about the magic millstone. I want it, thought the thief. I'll be richer than I've ever dreamed. He scratched his head. I just have to find out where the king keeps it. So he went to the palace. A friendly guard gave the thief a grand tour. He saw the gardens and the throne room, but he couldn't see the magic millstone anywhere. In the royal bedroom, he had an idea. This place is magnificent, he said to the guard. But I'm sorry not to see the magic millstone. I expect the king keeps it hidden. The guard laughed. Of course he does, he replied. It's his greatest treasures after all. As they walked, the thief kept chatting. I bet you don't even know where the millstone is kept, he teased the guard. Oh, yes, I do, said the guard. It's under the king's bed. What a clever hiding place, said the thief. And I suppose you have to be a great magician to make the millstone work. Oh no, said the guard. The king simply taps it 3 times and asks for whatever he wants. Later that night, the thief crept back to the palace. He tiptoed into the king's bedroom and lifted the mattress and grabbed the millstone. He stole it. Hiding the millstone under his cloak, he raced away as fast as he could. He ran all the way to the sea, where he leaped into a waiting boat and sailed away. Out at the sea, the thief gazed at the millstone. I can have anything I want, he thought. What shall I ask for first? Meanwhile, he took out a bun to nibble while he decided. The bun didn't taste so good. He spat. That needs salt. So he tapped the millstone 3 times and asked in a clear voice, Please, may I have some salt? At once the millstone began turning and bright white salt poured out. The thief fell asleep with a smile on his face, dreaming of riches. All night long, the magical millstone kept turning and the pile of salt grew bigger and bigger and bigger. Still, the millstone kept turning. The thief woke up to a mountain of salt towering over him. Stop now, shouted the thief, but the millstone didn't stop. That's enough, he yelled, but the millstone kept on turning. The mountain of salt piled higher. The salt was so heavy that the boat began to sink in the water. Before long, waves were slopping over the sides, and still the millstone kept turning. Frantically, the thief burrowed into the salt. I have to stop this millstone, he gasped, but it was buried far too deep. The millstone kept on turning until finally the boat sank. The magic millstone went with it, sinking down to the bottom of the ocean. The thief swam home, where an angry king stood on the shore waiting for him. As for the millstone, it is still at the bottom of the sea, pouring out salt to this very day. The end. Please like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.